Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to look into one Redux Haga effect that is called Hake. So basically Redux Haga is just a middleware who deal with the side effect, that is API calling, accessing the DOM. So these are all the side effects that is which we can handle with the Redux Haga. So inside Redux Haga we have a different effects like take every take later. So in this video we will be only be focusing on the take. So you can see I have created on a small application. Basically it's just do increment and decrement. So on clicking add, I'm hiring an action increment, and for -1 I'm hiring an action decrement. So I will show you the basic setup of this application. So I have a Redux in which I have a very basic reducer. I have apps saga file which I will write now to explain you the Hake effect. This is the read reducer on which we am combining that counter application, and I am using that app reducer here and accessing the state with the help of app value. And we have a store setup here where we have a logger. Also logger is another middleware, and we have a saga middleware. And here I am importing that counter application from this folder. So we have a very basic UI. You can see with the help of Ant Design. So you need to install couple of packages like Ant Design, React Redux Logger, Redux Haga. So these all of the packages are required, and in index.js file we just need to import this and design CSS file. So what is basically take effect in Redux Haga? So take basically I'll explain with the code first. Let me write the code. So we have a Redux. One second, Redux Saga, and we have effects. So from effect we need take. Okay, so we need to write function. So it work with the generator in Redux. We use the basically we leverage the generator concept here. So export function. So export increment saga and yield basically. Um, so we are yielding the Hake function. Unlike Hake every and Hake latest, Hake accept only one argument. Okay, so we have a function name here. So increment, and I will put one console log. So I am giving incremented. I will go to store. So basically we are yielding the take function here and take expecting the increment. Unlike take every and take latest, we don't pass anything in the second argument, and we will see take every and take latest in the in other video basically. So here, instead of what take does is wait for this action to increment happen, and when it does, we are able to get the actual payload from this action as well. So you can do something like this as well, like an increment payload. So you can do something like this way. Okay, so if you wanted basically. The other thing about take is rest of the code doesn't execute until this take operate. So I have written a console log statement, and you will see the behavior. So if I open this application and I just click clearing the this one, and if I do, we are getting the increment log here. Okay, because we have hired the action. But the main difference between take and take every, which I will explain later in the other video, and I will provide that video uh, in the description link when it's ready. So the main difference between take and take every is that whenever we fire action, we are not getting the console log here. So you saw that in case of take, we are not getting this console log. I mean, we are not getting this console log here basically. Even if you fire so many times, we only got the increment log first time. So this is have happened because uh, take is following just basic generator function, and if you don't know about the generator function, I have already made the video on this. You can click on I button to get more detail about generator function. So in the generator, what actually happen? I will bring one slide so you will get more clarity. So this slide actually I have prepared for this video. So in generator, we call next on every yield statement. Okay, you can see we are calling the next on yield statement, and the data basically pass back into another yield statement, another yield statement. When we don't have any other yield statement, and if you call the next method, so this time it won't return anything. Basically it will return the value undefined, and done will be set to true. So in this case, we will basically never able to restart the saga, and in saga you cannot go back to basically start. Basically in saga you cannot go back and start the execution from top to bottom. Okay, so in order to get the console log, we can do something like this also. So and I will just copy this. So I will copy this one and I will run it again. So now what happening? Now you can see we are getting the increment log. So here our Haga basically kind of stuck in the infinite loop. So with this approach, you will be uh, able to basically replicate the behavior what take every or take latest does. Okay. But again, we have issue with this approach as well, because if I put a hit timeout, so Redux Haga basically provide a delay, which is basically work as it is similar to hit timeout. And if I give delay like 3000, okay, and I'll go back to the application and I will refresh it. And if I add, so one second, one mistake has happened, so we need to yield this value as well. So now again come to refresh this application. Now again we are not getting our the console log here. Okay, so this log again we are not getting. Okay, so this code basically is now blocked by this delay. So you can imagine this is a asynchronous code, and if we have some API request here instead of this delay, so what's happening here is whole function is getting frozen and it's waiting for this delay to finish after 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds I will get again console log. So if you go to application and if you click again add, so you will get the console log again. So this code is blocking any future take increment incoming from being called. So, so take every there is another effect in Redux Haga. So take every basically create a new subtask and spawning a new Haga for every increment action coming. So ultimately, this take effect didn't kick off new task, and that can happen with the take every or take latest effect, which I will explain in another video, and I will provide that video link in the description. And you can also find the video related to take every in the top right when I will prepare the video. So I hope you understand that concept of take in a Redux Haga. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please press the like button and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.